In this world of IMs, there are some room for birds too. There are people who really love their birds. And in this video, we are looking at the Sivga M200 birds. I don't know why 200, but yes, that is the name of this bird. I believe there is no mention of the name here on the box. There is nothing on the box, no name or anything like that. In any case, this one has a 15.4 mm dynamic driver, which is bigger than most of the in-ear monitors. So this has a huge driver. Though the one reason why I do not really love these birds is they are slightly not comfortable to me. So it's a comfort issue, and birds do not have end-to-end extension. They do not retain details at the very deeper part of the spectrum at both the ends. So that is why I really do not prefer birds over anything else. So I would rather have a headphone and not have a bird at a cheaper price even. In any case, this is the M200. Yeah, the name is mentioned in here, M200. This with microphone, so one can use it with the mobile phones too, so that is a good thing. Sivga, come on, focus. Okay, so oh, nice. I was kind of worried about this, if I will have to install the foams on this or not, but this is good. They have already pre-applied the foam on it, so there is a relief. Some extra foam pads and cable guides too. No one really uses cable guides these days. In any case, let's have a look at the birds. These look nice, don't they? They are slightly bigger on the size too, in the size too, so size is never a problem with me. I'm able to fit nearly everything inside my ear, but they do not have good traction inside my ear. They do not have proper seal, proper stability inside my ear. So that is the only problem I really face with these birds. So yes, this looks nice. I'm liking this. Let's see how this compares to. I just only have one bird with me as of now. Good looking connector here. Good looking 3.5 mm connector. Not bad at all. Looks nice. And I just, as I was saying, I only have one other bird with me, that is the Sennheiser MX 470. So let's see how this compares to that. This is this is $50. That used to be around $20. So yeah, there is a big price gap. So I'm expecting something better from this. Obviously this has better cable too, and I believe this must sound better than the Sennheiser. Not open back, but yeah, due to the larger drivers, I believe this must have a bigger stage too. So this is the unboxing of Sivga M200 birds. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.